Open YouTube TV.
Miscarriage of justice or non sequitur and bringing Michael Flynn up. So we're going to go through all of it. Let me begin with you, Caitlin Collins, our White House correspondent, because one of the questions to her.
Open Netflix.
Will Vitella, home technology expert. What you are seeing is my design of a clean and simple to use modern smart home audio system. This is a Samsung 75-inch QLED 4K TV with Sonos soundbar speaker with Alexa voice built right in. On the floor, notice the white Sonos bass subwoofer. For the rear surround speakers, I installed in-ceiling speakers with designer trimless covers. Taking a look at this candy without the cover, you can see that I used the DaVinci Audio Group speakers that are set on an angle, pointed right at the couch so you can hear that crowd at the concert or the bullets flying right by your head. If you would like to schedule a free estimate, go to hometechnologyexpert.com. Thanks for watching.